Yo, what's up? Fucking morning. So I'm testing my fucking mic. Does it need to be louder? Probably not because my mic was far away. Alright, anyway. How are you guys doing? Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. It depends on wherever you guys are from. Let me. Oh shit! What do you see? You see nothing. All right. Oh. Good morning. What's up? Hey. Hi. Morning. Oh, why are you alone? Where's the other one? Where's the others? Why are you alone? Oh, phone call. Okay. I see. Okay. I see. Okay. No problem. Yeah. Let's stay here. I mean, yeah. Whatever. If you heard me talking to myself, just ignore me, okay? Yeah, I'm live streaming as usual. I will be like live streaming every single day during this time. Yeah, sure. Okay. Okay, so back to the chart. You guys want to do a little bit of a quick recap of what I did this pre-market? I did a good and an oopsies today. Let me show you the chart execution right here. Ignore the spam because I'm building up my win rate here. It's from 0% out of losing trades to a 42 because I don't. If I were just to put 5 micro here instead of 5 times once, that would be harder and longer for me to build a win rate because this win rate is means a lot to me to boost my confidence. So yeah. So this pre-market overnight session, let's start from the daily open. Was it this one? 9. No, it's 9 verse 10. That one right here. I took my first trade during the London session after the open. Open is 2 a.m. here. And then I saw a quick rejection here on the, I think that was this one, somewhere around here. I believe I saw a level on the left here, but I don't remember what. And I took a shot over there. Then I exited here. I added here because of this 5 minutes fair value gap respected. I added, and I exited here on the VWAP. Went through a bit, making the AM. Sorry, that was Asia low, and then it went back. I was planning to ride this V shape, but I was not laser focused on the chart, so I missed it. I have a mark of this market structure shift right here, but then I put a limit order somewhere down here and it didn't get picked up, and then price just kept respecting the nearest fair value gaps, and it just like damn, and the news kicks in, boom. I shorted here. This was that was London high. Yeah, I tried to short the London high sweep. It gives some reaction shift, market structure shift, and then news kicks in 8:30 a.m. and then it wiped my position. I'm not breaking that into an even, so I got stopped. That was this trade alone gave me 400 plus the day, but I didn't lock it out because it's too early. And then I went a bit of a minus here that left 200, that makes it left 200, and then took another L here, and then the final stop loss is here. That turns my daily PNL to be minus 242, and now I am on a short after the news candle, because that news candle it's not wiping out the previous month high. As you can see on this chart, it's previous month high, but it actually not on the real NQ. This is US 100 indices, so it's already like manipulated price by the brokers, and this is the real previous month high. That looks interesting. 28 more points to the upside, but I shorted this because I still on a short bullish short bias for this morning because of the liquidities. The upside seems to be already draining from my perspective, and what I see left is the Asia low, back to the daily range like that, and also the 4 hour. Oh, did that over there? Yeah, here on the 4 hour we did, that was also a confluence, but maybe it was too early. This 2 a.m. low, which is the Asia low, is still intact, still open, so that's why I took a shot over here. And welcome everyone to the stream. If you are new here, please feel welcome. Yeah, what's good? What's good, Glover City? Back at it again, man. Yeah, shit. What's good? Good, like every single day. Took a 400 wins this London session, but then market took it back and flipping my account to be minus 200 for the day. I didn't lock it though. Yeah, maybe I should have locked it, but yeah, that's just something. It's still managed. We are still so early during the day. Okay. I didn't notice that there was a news here on the 8:30. That's why I'm holding it without breaking even my trade. And then after it happened, then I realized, oh, what the fuck just happened? Then I checked the calendar, and then there was a news. Talking about news, other than that, I don't think there's any more news today that is gonna have a strong impact. That was PPI. This one was during the 8:30. Yeah. But other than that, there's nothing. Only medium stock changes. And then the next high impact news is gonna be tomorrow, CPI. That's serious. I think that is also on. Oh, is it at 9? I think it's at 9 a.m. So yeah. What is good on your side? I didn't trade news today. I funny cancelled my long before the economy call. I missed out at 1800, but I had to play it safe. Of course, yes. Hey, I didn't realize there was news. PPI. I thought the news was going to report bad, but they said we are at about 2.8 or something close. But I was scared I was going to the short. Then I go here. I see. Yeah, it was today, 8:30. I don't. I'm not yet. Yeah, dedicating myself to the news, to trade, like as we talked about yesterday's, and that's good to know. Okay, this music is too bad. Let me. No way. I'm not doing this. Okay, changing the music real quick. Okay. I will be sitting on this trade. My target is the Asia low, while I am going to also mark the 8-hour candle. This is a good range of 8-hour candle. If I want to short over there, the option now is going to be thin, because at least it needs to be wiped to the upside of this candle, which I'm scared if that happens I'm going to take another else. It's 8 a.m. high and then 8 a.m. low, just like that. Then we wait under 5 minutes. Is it all-time high? Not yet, right? Because all-time high was the previous month high price on $24,069 in quarter. Yeah, that's the all-time high. Please don't go to the all-time high. I hate trading all-time high, to be honest. I think we will touch 240 41 240 41. Yes, I have a belief in mind that it's gonna be targeted for a sweep before we go down, which is my stop loss. If we could go to the Asia low today, this gonna set the high of the week. High of the week is this candle, and then yeah, that will be massive move to the downside if we get that today. Today is also Wednesday, and Wednesday by data is a good pivotal day, either to make a week high or a week low, so let's keep it in mind. So we're gonna watch this. What's the risk on this? 450, that's too much. I need to decrease it there. 250, what's my losing? 242. I can afford this high. Yeah, I can afford this high, because if the candle closes above this, that will touch this real quick. Too much liquidity during Asia and London market beside the PPI call. Investors are going to liquidate some gains to then reclaim. Yeah, I agree. The trend today was so good. I was having a look on this level, bro. After London session, this was a beautiful reversal time at 5 a.m. I saw it happening, but I keep putting my limit order on the 1 minute time frame, and it didn't get picked up at all. It keeps grinding, and if I would just like instant fill it here, that will be 50 points. That's good. And the new sets in that add up the position to 100 points. I'm glad that it happened. The first thought in my head happened, but I didn't take it. But I'm still happy that it worked. So I know if the other day it's happening, I'm gonna take it. I experimented with gold last night and lose 400 somehow. Somehow. But I'm only trading New York market for now. Yeah. Oh, tonight. I honestly don't know how to trade gold. Some people say it's the same. Some people said it's different. I tried that when I was trading forex, and I cooked I got cooked. But since I on prop firm, I have never traded gold. I don't have the balls. Yeah, agree. That's dangerous if you're just testing with a real account. That could go wrong. I hate this move when the candle are just grinding up slow without even giving anything. It's just like it's so hard to determine if it's going to continue a breakout or a continuation or a reversal. What? Where's Bobby? Now I'm only at 650 profit for the week, but today I will be smart. We gotta liquidate at some long, so for the short. Yes, that's a good thing to wait. My bias is still short, so since I'm already in, I'm just gonna monitor this trade, and if this one is already closed, then I'm still going to look for another short, probably after the market open or even during the silver bullet hour. Last night 100 points was from Oculus or some tech company with that name having a new tech deal pushing ES and NQ. Interesting. Which 100 points? This one? To the downside or upside? It should be upside, no? The one that you traded, the push that you mentioned? Hey, wait, what? That was 2 days ago, no? There's also something about it. The news that is happening outside of the calendar, outside of this, list and all of that. It could be like someone talking randomly, and then the market will fuck up. I don't know where to get that. Where do people watch that kind of thing? Is it on YouTube or is it an official website where people yap and fuck the price? But not my concern for now. I'm just going to stay away from them. A lot of shit happening on my screen right now. Gotta sort it out. Okay, control. Oh, that sounds good. $8,000 bitrate. Can I set that? Oh no, I need to stop the stream. Okay, that's fair enough. Opening in 2 minutes. We see some move here. Both ES and NQ is still playing around the daily plus manipulation level, which I like to see because it didn't broke through, but rather respecting it. Opening in 30 seconds, 5, 15, 10 seconds. Okay, we pushed good, we pushed good, we pushed good. I'm out over there. Fill up. Okay, that was a good short. A bit too soon, I guess, but that paid off my loss, and I'm up $47 for the day. So until silver bullet hour kicks in, I think I'm just gonna wait and see what is the price doing during the opening, possibly giving a more clearer bias on where the price is gonna go. And I got the 9 a.m. candle high and low too for the CRT model, and I'm gonna forward test. Yeah, so that was a good one. Let's do a little peek on what this dude on Topstep doing. Oh, PPI, that was PPI. House account minus 330, no position, nothing. Okay. I just like to see their stats for the day. If I were on a good status during the day, I would love to hold that trade and see the price purge the 8 a.m. low or even the 2 a.m. low. But in this situation, I would rather to get back to the safe range of the day on a plus on the green day and resetting my emotional to trade clearer rather than gambling it like go big or go home, because if this spikes back up, which could happen, that will ruin my psychology and the mental. So that's a big W for me to counter the red back to the green. And once again, welcome everyone. I appreciate that. Your time, I appreciate your time to tune in here. Maybe just watching, maybe just gathering some information about your levels and trading bias during the day. And if you want to chat, feel free. I'm not begging for anything. Subscribe, like, dislike, comments, or whatever that you would like to do. And yeah, just feel welcome here. If you want to join the Discord server, it's totally free. Everything is unlocked, no paid shit. I'm not a mentor. I'm just a normal dude who trades, trying to trade for a living. And maybe my YouTube channel is growing that I can monetize it, probably. Yeah, who knows. So yeah, nothing much going on the Discord server. It's but there are some knowledge base there that you can steal from it, guys. There's also here, I'm using a custom indicator, right? And this indicator, if you use it, if you know how to use it, it works pretty good. It draws the levels from the daily extreme to the daily extreme with bunch of other levels that you can use as a point to determine where the price is gonna either turn around or continue. The indicator made by Oli plus Ultra Trades, known by that. He is in the Discord server, and he is a really good guy if you wanna get in touch with him. Hey, yeah, you can just say hi on the server and get his contact. Maybe if you want to buy the indicator. They got a lot of stuffs too. He's releasing another great powerful indicator early, which I don't get access yet because I'm still focusing myself on this. What's the name? It's data map and the ICT levels. But yeah, even this one is just enough for me. I don't need another one. So yeah. Whoop, ignore that. That's just me in another account. Okay, 8 a.m. candle low is close. I would like to see that purged. People are shorting 62% shorts on the tilt. Okay, now we got the 8 a.m. low, and that completes the, oh, not yet. We got 8 a.m. low purge. Now we drop to the 5 minutes and wait for it to close above the range, and then we target the high. How about that? I will be look for long here. Silver bullet is in 20 minutes. Yeah, this monthly high tingling around over there, I don't like to see that. I would like to okay, we closed above it on the 5 minutes. Now we drop on the 1 minute, and let's see if we get a confirmation to do a long here. That is the first swing. If we close below it, I will not take anything yet. While ES did not yet reach the 8 a.m. low, so NQ might be going for a lower level, possibly to the Asia low. Okay, I would sit on my hand and wait until the silver bullet hour. Oh no, I pasted. No. Maachi.
Maganda na ito kata.
Tunjuk kata.
Maganda na ito kata.
Nyen.
Woo!
Okay. I see something over here. I want to take along here. Wait, didn't read any comment yet, bro. We closed above the range. We liquidate. Is there any fair value gap? I'm gonna put 3 small contracts here. Stop loss will be down here. Just on that. I will target the 8 a.m. candles high. Just right there. And now let's see if it's going to work like that. The time is 21:50, silver bullet macro. Music's too loud for me. I didn't listen to my advice I gave. I was at work and instead of shorting I accidentally did a buy order and blew my account. Oh really? You blew it? I gotta start having a faith in myself. I went against my advice. Your account? Damn, that was close, no? Hey, that's okay, bro. I mean, oh shit, got stopped. Yeah, people make progress. That's just the tricky thing about trading. You just gotta control it. But the good thing is then you learn and then you come back stronger. That was so quickly invalidated. I am back 170 red for the day. Yes, because I meant to short 20 micros and did buy rip and did buy. I was in a rush because that's the thing. Mixing up, especially when you are not focused on the chart. I think that big of a position is not a good idea. And I would suggest you to not jumping straight back up to a new account today, because that would be still attaching your emotional on that loss to that new account, which is not gonna be ending good. Like you will automatically wanted to revenge and get what the market has took, which is a bad thing. Just take a deep breath and consume it. Continue with your work. What time is it? 53. I see that the longs here got a really good BPR over here. Not in yet. Hey, what's up, bro? Plus FEG. I will try to long another 3. Stop loss on the swing. Targets the same. 8 a.m. candle high. That wick is rejecting the previous week's high, which is already closed. Yeah, sure, I learned 2 things: never trade on my cell phone anymore while at work, and always double check my clocks. Of course, trading on cell phone is a tricky thing to do. I have not been trading on my phone since a while, and it resulting me in a good way. Oh wait, this is straightly invalidated. If I got stopped on this other one, I will wait for the hour to open up. I'm going to wait till Friday to reactivate. If I shorted it, would have been me. Of course, if you were shorted it, that would have been good. And also, if I held my short, that would have been a good. But no shoulda, woulda, coulda. We learn and we grow. That's how we do. Losing is part of the learning, part of the curve that you must go through. Let me check something. I'm just mad at myself because I predicted the exact call but rushed too much at work. Friday though, we come back. It's all learning. Yeah. Stay strong, brother. I mean, don't let one singular session, one singular trade, one singular blow up of the account ruin your entire career. Yeah. You did journal, as you told me. Keep it, and then learn from that. Add this one to your journal so you have something to grip on and not redo it in the future time. You just gonna keep like polishing every single mistake that you made. Polish it until you're good to go. Just take it slow, brother. I believe in you still. Come on. I wish you a blessed trading day. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. I'm going to Zone Network during free time. Get some real steps on the day. Sure thing. You should be laser focusing on your work right now. Like blast it. Get as many clients as you get, bro. That's how you revenge the loss. You gotta make sales. Alright. I'll be still here until, not sure if I'm gonna stay until the PM or just the lunch. It depends on the results of my trading. Cause still on the target, maybe around 500 a day, or making the total account back to the break even to zero balance, because right now it's minus 700. So yeah, until then, just hit me up in the chat. Thank you very much. Okay, now we are on the silver bullet hour, 10 a.m. New York local time. We see a good push to the upside. The first minute candle of it forms a fair value gap to the upside. Okay, but I would like to see that VWAP to be broken up too and hold above it. Then we will be in a good long run. Okay, now since the 9 a.m. candle has been closed, I will mark the high and the low on that too. This is 9 a.m. high. And this is the 9 a.m. low. Okay, so that right there could be a partial on the 9 a.m. and also my confirmation if it's a soup on that. I will be reversing the trade, targeting the 9 a.m. low. There are so many scenarios that could happen in this trading industry, which is the art of it. Break even. I will break even my trade once we cross this level. That will bring the position into 45 points, or I can just do it now. No, I don't like to do it now, but I will move it here just yet. If we broke this level, the swing, then I will put the stop loss to break even. That is a good push. I'm also looking at the 5 minutes fair value gap to the upside here during the 10 a.m. candle. If we get another one, I want to add my position up or no, because this is something I need to put into consideration. This is 5 minutes fair value gap bearish, and then OTE. Yeah, OTE is on the CE of this fair value gap, so I gotta watch out for a reaction over there and see what's gonna happen. Okay, still a good push to the upside. The tilt is moving long, 77 now % to the long side. Thank you for the like, guys, appreciate that. Do we have anything else to consider? 4 hour, we are within that 6 a.m. candle. We are within this range of the candle. We should that. I will hold this long for sure. Okay. Okay. I'm looking at my trading view chart. I see nothing interesting that could take this chart into a flip downside. That 5 minute FVG seems to be giving a reaction. It just tapped and the price went back. That is actually this swing. We make a equal high, so I will not. Okay, never mind. I will put my trade into break even, and that's a no risk trade for me. Excuse me. Come on. Push it. ES is not as synced as. Oh, okay. We had SMT on 8:30 candle to 9:50 candle. We have lower low on NQ. Oh, what is that? I had a notification, but what is that? I'm not understanding. Oh, what was that alert? Can someone explain what that alert was? I don't know. But anyway, on ES we have a higher high from the 8:30 candle to the 9:50 candles, so it's a good long. I'm so curious, what was that? Did someone subbed? Or what was that? Ooh, that swipe over there is just so good. But we are still above the VWAP. I like to see that holding. If it's not, I will be break even, no problem. Oh, there's a 5 minutes fair value gap here, bullish one. Let's see if that's also hold. Is that with, yeah, it's close to this level. This is on the CE of that. 22:10, 10 a.m. Another macro. If I pull something, OTE is on my entry. Okay. Oh, you. I don't like that move, to be honest. That's on the 5 minutes bill versus FVG. What about 15 minutes? Oh, 15 minutes is so big. Okay, I'm on a break-even trade, so I don't mind. It's all good. Let me check where the standard deviation of this one is. It's this one. 1.548 over the ATH. Will not happen. Too high. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna let this trade sit right here and monitor it on the other chart.
Order filled.
Okay, I added some to the position because I see the VWAP is holding. I was having a thought to add a position right here, but it's not touching this FEG, so yeah, that would have been a limit as well. So yeah, I added 2 more micro contract and see what is it gonna do. I will move the stop loss to be below this candle that made the fair value gap. Okay, that's it. Let it sit and run. Oh, that notification was from someone subscribed to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate that. I just received an email.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, did I muted my mic? No. And also ES is making a good reaction after wiping out the 9 a.m. candle. I'm adding 2 more here.
Order filled.
No, I will let it sit. We are still playing around this level now. The FEG. Oh, what are we doing? We are pumping up. Discard that. I'm still gonna hold to this trade. If that's just a soup, I would like to do it. Like it to do that. Alright. Okay, we started to see some sellers here. At the end of silver bullet hour, so 45 was here, it souped and then it goes back down. We souped this high. I like to use that terminology. What word? Soup. Okay, we soup. I'm using it too much, isn't it? And then we go back down. I would consider this as the market structure shift, but it's since the market's been ranging, it's a bit tricky to confirm which one is the valid one. But since it is already at the end of the silver bullet timing, which usually it's going to be a reversal of the original silver bullet trend, which is an upward in this scenario, uptrend. Now I would like to see this to crush down the price. All right, let's see.
Order filled.
Okay, finally some push to the downside here. The confirmation was correct over there, and I will be making the stop to break even right now, and then see if we can go through the level here. I'll draw it over here. That should be the AM low, no? Yeah, that is AM low. Alright. AM. Wait, what? Okay. Alright. I'll be monitoring this again in the background. Yes, it's already on the AM low. I will see if NQ is gonna make a rejection somewhere between this level I'm having. 8 AM low finally purged. Can delete this. Okay. If we close strong below this 5-minute fair value gap, I think we're good, because the 8 AM, oh no, 8 AM high is still intact, 9 is still intact, 10 is also still intact. Okay, now we are purging the sell side liquidities. Okay, let's see what it's gonna do on this fair value gap and 8 AM low. 30 seconds into the close of this 5-minute scan rule. I would like to see this close below it, or even below the 8 a.m. candle. People are on the short right now, on the tilt, 55%. Okay, we close below the fair value gap. That is a good sign. This will convert as an inversion fair value gap to the downside. People, price can react to that fair value gap and continue to the downside. Okay, I will monitor the 1-minute chart here. If I see a market structure shift, I will be closing the trade. But I still see a strong push to the downside, so I'll let it run.
Order filled. Order filled.
Shit, my mic was muted. So this long was based on a good reaction on that 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. low candle wipe. As you can see, the 5 minutes here
Order filled.
closed above, back up, engulfing the previous candle. That is the one who wiped this candle low, and we come back up. So then I would like to target the high over there, the AM high. Risking, I will add
Order filled.
one more over
Order
here.
filled.
There we go. I will risk yeah, just there. I'll leave it right there. Could be fail because it's still in the middle of lunch hour. It's not done yet. My addition is that yes, already wiped the AM low. And that makes another SMT on ES and NQ. 950 candles to 1125 candle, solid SMT. Okay, I will then let this run too. Okay, I would like to see this move to hit AM high. Lunch high. What time is it? 11:51. AM high is not that one. This one is which one? Candle at 9:30. This one is AM high. Yeah. AM high. Which is, oh, that one, yeah, correct. This one, this one, this one. 9:30. That one. I'll target that. Stop loss to break even. Okay, I think there's nothing much to be commentated here. And it's already late here too, midnight in Bali. So I think I'm gonna end the stream right here. Thank you very much for tuning in the full session of today's trading. If you like to see me doing the same stuff every single day, consider subscribing and join the Discord server if you want to. If not, no problem. You can type the title that you were arriving to this video today, and will hopefully see me the next day. And then yeah, I will update everything again tomorrow, and see you again tomorrow. And thank you very much for today. Have a good time. Bye bye.